Hey guys. Hey guys, my dad pulled something really good. So now I'm gonna pull and I'm so confused how I got it. It's these two, so crazy how I got it because he usually doesn't have any luck.
Dude, out of the ETB, and then this pack right here from SV they opened for me, so I had no option to keep it sealed. Whoa.
Yep.
Alright, you opening that one?
Yep.
And this one, right?
Mm-hmm.
Let's go. I'll open this for you.
Thank you. Sometimes I have the best dad ever. You know where the scissors are? Oh, wait. I don't know where the scissors are.
Go through this one.
Okay.
I'll open that.
I'm going straight for it, guys. I don't think I'm gonna get anything ready. Boom, nothing. Oh man, that sucks.
It's alright though. We got more to open.
Yeah, we have all these.
Stay tuned, guys.
Yeah, stay tuned.
Struggling on these Jap packs, man. These aren't
I
easy.
know.
There's only 5 cards.
Oh no. 5 cards. Okay. Oh, I see a shiny. Might be a hollow. I don't know this name. Oh. Oh. Ooh, Team Rocket. Ah.
Cool. No, Zapdos.
Zapdos. Well, that was it for today, guys. Bye.
Oh, I thought we were doing one more.
One more? Oh. Yeah. Go on. Oh, go on. I'm gonna go slow for this one. I'm scared. I don't know why. Adios. Ooh. Oh. Oh! This is so cool.
Yeah, let's leave her. Let's leave it.
Let's leave it.
That's a cool one, guys.
I was not expecting that. Yay! Well, that was it for today, guys. Bye.